What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you missed yesterday's video, the news is, and I am so sad to say, that I'm getting rid of the Mercedes S550. That's right, I put it up on Swap a Lease, and I'm hoping that the person who takes over the lease is one of you amazing subscribers that can enjoy it, cherish it, experience how awesome of a car it is, and not just some random person. But today is not about the S550, it is all about the E63. Car and Driver just tested the new F90 BMW M5, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. That is crazy fast. Now, both the cars, all-wheel drive, both the cars about 600 horsepower, although this has a decent amount more torque than the M5 does. We're gonna see how fast the E63 can hit 60 miles an hour. I got my fingers crossed. I think it's gonna be quick. But before we take out the E63, I wanna talk about the BMW Z4 Giveaway car. For those who already know about it, this is a reminder, and for those who are new to the channel, check out how exciting this is. I am giving away this BMW Z4, and it's a manual. That's right, I've given away a car before. I gave away an E46 BMW M3 to a pro member on my website. But this giveaway is even better because one, it's a manual, and two, if you don't know how to drive manual and you're able to come out to California and meet me, I will personally spend the day teaching you how to drive a manual, and we can even film a video together for Vehicle Virgins in the Z4. To be eligible, all you have to do is be a subscriber to Vehicle Virgins and be a pro member at my website, lightgravity.com. So what is Light Gravity and what is being a pro member? Light Gravity is a website for car lovers, like-minded individuals like me and you, to share pictures of your favorite cars, to share pictures of your car, the latest and greatest automotive news and videos, so you don't have to bore all your friends on Facebook that don't want to see any more pictures of your darn car and question whether you want to marry a girl or a car. Some people on the website are pro members. Now, pro members have awesome perks that normal members do not have. One, you get access to every single Vehicle Virgins video a day before they drop on YouTube, so you can see them before all your friends. Also, there are no ads, no brand deals, just purely uninterrupted Vehicle Virgins content. And I try my best to respond to each and every one of those pro members if you've got questions. It just so happens one of the coolest perks is I do random giveaways, like giving away this Z4. On March 15th, I am picking a random pro member to win this BMW Z4. So that's right, all you gotta do, be a pro member, be subscribed to Vehicle Virgins. I'm gonna use a random number generator, and on March 15th, I'm gonna pick a random pro member to win this Z4. I've got all the rules up on my website. There's a link in the description below to sign up to be a pro member. Smash that subscribe button. And just to clarify, you do have to be in the US to win this car. Literally, being a pro member costs as much as a pack of M&Ms per month, and you get videos in advance, no ads, and the chance to win things like a BMW Z4. Most people sign up for a year. That way, you are eligible for every single giveaway that happens in the next 12 months, and you bet there are gonna be more awesome cars. Speaking of which, I think we're gonna have to wrap this, and I'm gonna be taking pro member input on what color to wrap the Z4. Let's go take out the E63 and see what it does 0 to 60 in. But wait, just look at that 6-speed manual. Whew. Time for a nice cold start. Oh. I just configured individual mode, basically the exact same as race mode, but this way all I have to do is toggle it up once instead of down 4 times to activate race. See, race for the engine, Sport Plus, manual, Sport Plus, ESC Sport, perfect. I also just configured the heads-up display. Check out how cool this is. Scroll over to heads-up display, and let's do display content. So there are different options here. Obviously, we want the one that looks the most ridiculous, which is that. Oh, or with lap times. Check that out. Oh. Out on the highway now, I've gotten to do a lot more long distance driving in the E63. Obviously, when you just get it, all you want to do is take it out to your favorite roads and rip it around corners, which it's so good at. But I've also gotten the chance to experience what it's like in bumper-to-bumper traffic, going to a meeting or going to an appointment, and it's actually pretty darn good. Now, I will say, the suspension, even in comfort mode, is pretty stiff. It's not uncomfortable, but you do feel every bump in the road. Mercedes definitely wanted the E63 to be primarily a sports sedan and have luxury included, but not as the most important component of that. Now, I figured out some unique things about the Distronic Plus feature. That is Mercedes self-driving technology. If you're in sport mode or sport plus, it actually won't allow you to do Distronic Plus. Now, because I always drive in sport and sport plus, originally I was like, oh shoot, like, did my car not come with it? What's going on? Cruise control isn't even working. But all you have to do is pull back on the cruise control lever and it activates Distronic Plus, where the car is steering itself within the lanes. Now, at slow speeds, it can do this indefinitely. At freeway speeds, every 10-15 seconds, I do have to gently touch the steering wheel to remind it that I'm still present in the car and not playing chess in the back, but it works really well. Wait, let's try something right now. So I've got Distronic Plus on, the car steering itself. What happens if I turn on the left turn signal? Oh my God, it's changing lanes. The car just literally changed lanes by itself. I put the turn, all right, I'm really scared. Okay, do it again. Is it gonna go? Oh my gosh, that is so sick. I literally didn't touch the steering wheel and it perfectly changed lanes for me. Watch this, first person point of view. Turning indicator on. And it's changing lanes, I'm not touching anything, oh my God. That is freaking wild. I am so impressed with this car. Well, I was messing around with the lane changing. I missed my exit, but that means we can accelerate. Oh my God, this car's so fast. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Literally right after that pull, I passed a cop. That was lucky. That'll do. I'm pulling over to the side of the road. I've had the E63 for about a week now, so I thought it would be a great time for a Q&A about owning the E63. So I posted on my Instagram. If you're not following me there yet, make sure to do so, at Vehicle Virgins, and asked you followers what I should talk about regarding the E63. So I'm gonna open Instagram right now and see what you guys had to say. I opened my phone backwards. Let's do it. From Hudson458, is the E63S better than a Tesla Model S? I'm sure you're talking about a P100D. Obviously, super different cars. The Model S to probably 70 miles an hour would walk this car, no doubt about it. The 0 to 60 of that thing, way under 3 seconds. It's a beast off the line because of the all-electric powertrain, instant torque at 0 RPMs. But to me, I want a car that has more than just straight line speed. I love the interior way more in the E63, and that V8, that noise. I can't get over owning a car that doesn't sound good. I mean, the S-Class didn't sound good, but when I did a muffler delete, it was kind of funny. From Becca, from my girlfriend, can I have? No, I'm sorry. From CJ Bobo 254, do you like it better than the S-Class? At this point, I'll be honest, I do like it better than the S-Class. It suits my current needs more. If I was in Michigan and I needed a daily driver that was practical year-round, honestly, this car, not the best in the snow. But as of right now, yes, I like it more than the S-Class. Switching things up, we are in the back of the E63. I haven't sat back here ever, really, just for a brief moment to check out the space, which there is plenty of. From Speedy F16, how are the sports seats really after an hour or so? To be honest, at first, I felt like I made a mistake. Like I got the wrong seats, like they were gonna hurt my back, because honestly, I do have back problems. I crashed really bad snowboarding, messed up my ribs, and got a bunch of nerve damage, so having comfortable seats is important to me. But once you adjust them properly, it's been awesome, seriously. From the Golden Head 4, are you going to switch the tires to amazing Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s? At this point, no. The reason is, I believe the car has the perfect amount of power for the level of grip that it has. It does not spin the tires off the line whatsoever, and I don't think having those grippier tires is really gonna make a difference unless I was tracking it. Now, I'm going to take this to the track, absolutely, but do I need that extra grippy tire? Not necessarily. On the Huracan, it could not grip with Pilot Sport 4S's off the line. With the Cup 2s, it still can't really grip, but it is better. From Amir Khan, are you going to collaborate with Alejandro and race the E63S versus the AMG GTR? Funny enough, I actually just talked to him about that. It would be an epic comparison. The AMG GTR, it weighs less, it has less power, and it's rear-wheel drive, so honestly, I don't know which car would win. From Benjamin Martin 21, when are you going to tune it? That is a fantastic question. I do want to enjoy this for a little bit stock. It's so fast already, but I also want to tune it. I do have to figure out, however, who the best person to do the tune is. I love my boys over at VF. They're local, they did the Huracan, it's been bulletproof, it's been incredible, so that is definitely an option for them to tune this. Then there's also Rentec, I see you guys on my Instagram, it would be fun to do something together, absolutely, who have already come out with several tunes for the E63S, as well as turbo upgrades, if I really wanted to go bananas on this car, which, we might do it. Lastly, do I have any regrets about the E63S purchase? Honestly, no, but there is one slight concern, and that is, at Geneva, they are revealing the AMG GT 4-door, and they might also be doing an AMG GTR 4-door with, rumors are saying, potentially up to 800 horsepower with a hybrid powertrain. Now, that car isn't gonna come out for a while, but I'll be honest, I'd be a little bit sad if my amazing, incredibly fast Mercedes instantly gets outdated by a much faster car. I love you so much. You won't be outdated. Oh, such a pretty car. I love the Selenite Magno Gray. I'm so stoked on the decision for this color. All right, here it is, guys. Here's the moment of truth. We are going to test the 0 to 60 of the brand new E63S. Now, Mercedes claims the 0 to 60 time is 3.3 seconds. I'm pretty sure that's conservative. I'm guessing close to around 3. Leave your comments in the comment section below what you think the 0 to 60 time of the E63S is going to be. Let's do it. Now, crazy enough, Car and Driver just tested the F90 BMW M5, which was supposed to have a 0 to 60 time of 3.2 to 3.3 seconds, according to BMW, and they got 2.8 seconds for the new M5. How crazy is that? 2.8 seconds. Now, Car and Driver is known for having faster 0 to 60 times than basically any other magazine, so I don't know, we could say maybe 2.9 to 3 seconds, but it's very possible that the car can hit it in 2.8. Prior to knowing that, I was much less nervous about doing this test. I love the E63. Let's see how it does. Got the V-Box set up here, cigarette lighter down there. Let's fire the car up. Here's one thing I really like about the combination of having an iPhone 10, or if you had an Android, and the E63. This spot down here, where normally you'd put a phone, is actually a wireless charger. So you just put your phone in there and boom, it's charging. How cool is that? And it'll show you how charged your phone is up there. I would be completely lying if I said I wasn't nervous for this, but let's go ahead and try it out. We're in race mode, foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. We got the V-Box set up. Let's try it. 0 to 60, test 1. Holy shit, that is fast. No way, guys. No way. Look at that, guys. The V-Box doesn't lie. Holy shit, 0 to 60 is 2.7 seconds. Oh my gosh. All right, we have to try that again. Holy crap. So first run, 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. What the heck? Let's run it back, shall we? All right, round 2, 0 to 60 test, race start. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, guys, 0 to 60, 2.7 yet again. Look at that, guys, yet again, 2.7 seconds to 60 miles an hour. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud. All right, we gotta run this back again, but this time I'm gonna film it point of view style so you can see what the launch looks like, and then right away with no cuts, I'm gonna lean over and look at the V-Box and see what we recorded. Let's do it. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. All right, what'd we get? Pull this off. 2.8 seconds. That was a 2.7, a 2.7, and then a 2.8. This car is ridiculous. In case that didn't show up well enough on the V-Box, there it is. Well, there you guys have it, 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds for the E63S. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not all that shocked. Feeling that initial takeoff, how much grip this car has off the line, I knew it was gonna be sub 3 seconds, but 2.7, that is fast. This car is ridiculous. I think it's time to take her home. One more for good measure. And we're back. Good job, E63. Thank you, V-Box, for the help. What a crazy day. I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous. The fact that a sedan, that by the way, this weighs 4,600 pounds, is able to do 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. For reference, other cars that do 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds, tested by magazines, Porsche GT2 RS, the brand new one, the 700 horsepower, much lighter car. Granted, it is rear-wheel drive. That's gonna hurt it off the line. McLaren 675 LT, also 2.7 seconds. Ferrari F12 TDF, 2.7 seconds. And a new Ferrari 488, 2.9 seconds. Yeah, a 488 is slower to 60 than that sedan is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. The E63 is officially faster than the F90 M5. I'm stoked. I look forward to seeing you guys next video.